Akash Sharma here from TG Booster Indicators Traders Guide Live. Right, I welcome you, all of you, even new members which are watching this video for first time. Right, this video I've come up with one based I can say asset tracker. I mean, can call it as a stock screener, right? That all you can, all combination of the stocks you can view at the one place, and you can set the alerts and everything at the one place, right? So here you can see above the table form, right? In that it's mentioned symbol, it includes like whatever you are working with, stocks, crypto, forex, commodity, even can say indexes. You can cover all the all the like work on all the markets, I can say, right? Even in all time frame. Currently I'm working, the chart has a 5 minute time frame. It's LTCB USDT chart, right, of crypto, right? So you can even modify all the list which is mentioned in the symbol. You can modify it. You can add the values into crypto, commodity, forex, stocks, everything. I will show you each and every step by step in detail how to select indicator, where you can find my indicator, how to apply the indicator on the chart. Everything I will mention in this video. So I hope you will like this video and hit the like button, share with your friends, and grow my community. Okay, thank you. So let's go to the chart now. I'll start from the first, from scratch, how to exactly use this indicator, how to apply the indicator, what should be the settings and all. Okay, so let's go to the chart now. So I'm just removing all the indicators right now. It's this one, the booster dashboard, and this I'm removing this ADX part. It's totally blank now. See, the chart is totally blank. So now I will apply indicator. So for applying my indicator, you have to go to the indicator section. What's over here? In the indicator section, you will see the invite only script option, right? I mainly give my all the indicator access via invite only script. So if you want to buy my indicator, if you want to, need more information of specific indicator, you can see my number in the scrolling text right here. You'll find my direct number. You can call me anytime. Feel free to talk whatever doubts you have in the stock selection. Each and every step, I am here to guide you each and every step. Don't worry, right? So you have to select TG Booster Forex. I've made this specific for Forex, that includes less, less rows. For DG Booster version 2, it includes total 40 rows. Total 40 rows. All rows are customizable. If you want less rows, you can let me know so I can customize you for a specific. If you have 20 list, you can update for the 20. You know, symbols. You can update 20 symbols and view the chart and everything, right? So TG Booster 2 version 2, you have to select, it will apply on the chart automatically. After that, it will be requiring to use ADXDI. Even if you are using my indicators, you will find a TG Booster ADX. You can select that indicator, right? So this indicator comes with inbuilt indicator as well as the dashboard, right? You can see inbuilt indicator here on the chart and the dashboard on my head. So it includes all. Let's go with the dashboard settings first. I'm going this TG Booster dashboard settings. So here you can see it having some customization, like you can move the specific direction of the chart from right, left, bottom, center. Each and every you can see in the list: bottom right, top left, bottom left, sorry, middle right, and bottom center. It's fully customizable. You can set it as per your requirement. Again, this feature is also important. If you want to use in mobile, you can go with the tiny part. Once I select the tiny, you can see the chart will be go very small font. You can easily use on the mobile, right? If you want to go to the small font, it will shift to the small. If you have a specs issue and if you want better clarity, you can go with the normal chart, right? It comes with bigger fonts. Okay, so this is the dashboard. I will explain you, and even as I told you, all the symbols are editable. These all the symbols are editable. You can edit from your end if you're working in crypto. You can work on like BTC USDT, right? So I'm adding this Binance chart. So once I select Binance, BTC will be edited. Next, if you're working in the Forex, let's say example, XAU USD, right? So you can see the chart I've added of Onida XUSD. You can see BTC USD. Second is XUSD. You can see over here XUSD. Right now, let's again edit. If you're working in stocks, the stocks value is already updated. But if you want to change it as per your requirement, all is editable. If you're working on commodity, if you're working on, let's say, commodity CRUD, crude oil, it's in India, you can select for any market, any any charts, right? You can select international market as well as domestic markets. I'm based in India, so I'm selecting Indian markets. You are based in US based in Canada, US based in Middle East, you can select as per your chart mentioned in the trading view. Okay, so my indicator works in all the markets, all the charts which are mentioned in the trading view. You can use any, update any charts. Okay. Okay, now let's move the dashboard. Let's see what each of the column, what indicates what. So you can, first column you can see that is symbol that we already discussed in earlier, that in the settings we open customizable, all the values are customizable. Second is conditions. You can see specific conditions are triggered for buy and sell, right? So I can say these are the stocks. You can see stocks, crypto, forex. In that specific condition is currently already triggered, right? You can set alerts for the same. Once you get alert, you can see the condition has been triggered, right? And third columns is like ADX I mentioned. If you can see the power and strength of the indicator, I use ADX, right? Once you see the ADX line is below the 20 line, there will be mostly sideways market, no momentum in the market, right? And last is phase market, that mostly indicates you where you have to entry, whether your trade is going on the buy trade, whether your trade is going down, whether your trade is going up, whether you have to accumulate more, whether you have to stop the buy and focus on the short position. Everything will be guided in the phase market, right? So let's see now. The second, let's let me go to the chart. Okay, so here it's a BTC chart of 5 minute. You can see, guys. Okay, so short go signal is still triggered. We mostly get the entry from the next candle. Whenever the crossover happens, we mostly get the entry from the next candle. So next candle we got entry, and you can see what the move we have got for specific trade. Example, it has already moved 0.70% to 29 points. So whether you can trade in future market, even in the spot market, there are two charts available in the this trading view account. Let's go, it's a crypto. Let's go with the international gold XUSD. My indicator works on all the markets, guys. I'm just testing, sharing you the data what exactly my chart shows. In gold you can see the currently short position is triggered and it's on the way, and we also got the buy momentum here. You can see the moves. Even previously you got a sell signal, right? So I will get back to you for these, how to tackle this sideways market. I'll get back to you in this part, right? But first let's understand all the markets, and let's take the example of any of the stocks. Let's take bank, HDFC Bank, HDFC. Okay, it's HDFC Bank chart. You can see there are some of the trades are in the sideways market, and some of are giving you the, you can see the last trade it is trigger of the sell. So mostly market will be, we can expect the market should be down, yes, means from tomorrow. It's currently it's night, but we can expect market should be down by tomorrow. Okay, so let's open any live chart. Live chart we can't be able to, but let's open some of the charts. Opening Bank India. Okay, you can see the big move we have got. We have got entry from here until here. We get a big move, right? these are the confirmation trades, guys. Yes, these are the confirmation trade. So let's talk about the ADX. I have added one indicator here for confirmation, confirming the trade, I can say. So I mainly use for confirming the trades. Whenever you got a crossover of here, like once you get a signal of arrow, you have to confirm here with the ADX, right? Here I have mentioned the ADX. In that you can see there is a, let me change the color of the green line so at least you can understand very easier. Changing this purple color to yellow and my center line to purple. So this is the ADX which I use. It's free indicator and this is very helpful for shorting the trades and getting accurate trade, right? As per my opinion, as per my experience, I can say. And it's very based. I'll show you how it exactly works. So here the ADX you can see there is a center line, right? As it's at 20 level. I mainly keep at 20 level. You can keep at 23. Some of the expert traders keep at 21 as well. So I keep at 20. So there are three lines mentioned over here. Let me explain you one by one. This is the average ADX line. This is yellow line is the ADX line, and this green is a buy momentum DI plus directional index plus, and this green red is directional index minus. Red indicates sell momentum, green indicates buy momentum, and this is the overall momentum, right? So here you can see where you get a crossover. So confirming the buy trade, we have to at least the directional index plus should be above this 20 line. It's already there. You can see the green line above this 20 line. Even this yellow line ADX line is also above the 20 line, right? So trade is mostly confirmed. You can enter from a next candle, right? You will get a alert as well for specific trade, right? So you can enter specific trade once you get alert. Okay, so let's talk about sell signal. It's already you can see. Let's go to the sell signal. This is the sell signal triggered. In that also you can see, let's draw one vertical line. Okay, so now you can see here in ADX you can see the ADX DA minus direction index minus has already confirmed and it's above 20, right? So that trade is confirmed for sell, and here you can see the crossover has also happened, and the sell signal has also triggered. So you have to enter from the next candle and see the move what happens. You can see here even in ADX whenever you get a yellow line above this 20 and the specific green or red line above this 20, you will get very boost in the market. And let me let me show you one example when you get a sideways signals, right? How to tackle in a sideways signal. Okay, here is the example. So whenever you get a signal, right, either buy or either sell, you just plot a one line, vertical line. Just this is just giving the example. So when you get this red and green line above this 20 line, red and green above 20 and red and green below 20, right? Red and green line if you get above 20 and red and green line you get below 20 in the ADX indicator, that indicates guys a sideways market, right? Even you can see here the chart. Here you can see the sell signal has triggered, but this DA minus and DA plus is above this 20 line, so the trade is false, right? Even the ADX line is below the 20 line, so market, there is no specific momentum in the market and market is going sideways. Okay, so let's see for this buy signal. This is a short trade. Even you can see this is also a sideways market. All the three lines are above the you know ADX and center line 20, above 20. You can see green, red and yellow or are above 20. That indicates also the sideways market. So ADX will be very helpful to understand the trapping trades, to save from that, as well as let's see the next example. There is a short buy signal, small signal, I can say. You get a buy signal here, right? You can see the buy DA plus is above this ADX line, but there is a negative impact of this trade is the ADX line is below 20. That indicates like there is a buy momentum going on, but the power is low. So market will not pump as much as you are expecting, right? And you can see here market was, power was low, and after that it converted into the sideways market, and after that it boosted again. You can see it has boosted again till here, and after it went to again the sideways market. You can see here this is also the sideways market, right? So this is very important to cross check my all the signals. When you get any signal, please cross check with EDX and check the moment, check the moment, check the moment, check the moment. This is my humble request, right? It's a manual indicator, it's not algo, it's not, automatic indicator, automatic buy sell signal. I can say once you get a signal, or you can set alert as well. I'll show you how to set alerts, each and everything in this indicator in this video. Okay, so I hope you understand when to take a buy entry, when to take a sell entry, how to find a sideways market, and how to be safe during the sideways market, and to not enter in specific, trapping trades, false signals, I can say, right? I hope you have understood. Still, if you have any confusion, feel free to talk, guys. This is my direct number. You will find in the, below scrolling text. You can call me anytime. I'm here to help you anytime. Even whether you are a domestic Indian guy, whether you are an international guy, I'm here to guide you. Don't worry. I know three languages: Hindi, English, and Gujarati. Actually, I'm a Gujarati guy. Actually, so I'm from Gujarat, India. I help mostly. I'm selling my all of the indicators in domestic as well as international. Right. So I have clients of worldwide. So let's understand. Like, I hope you guys have understand this phase market. This last column. Let's explain. Let me explain you in detail. So whenever you get a buy signal or a sell signal here on the chart conditions, the phase market will be getting updated. It will show you when to buy. It's continue up, continue down, even you can see the distribution, right? Stop buy, setup for short, it's in overbought zone, you can see, right? So selling pressure will be, expect selling pressure, so it indicates in you are very clear, right? So all the things you will be getting updated in this phase market, right? Conditions, you can get this current condition which you are seeing on the chart, that is ongoing conditions. Okay, so you have how now let's understand how to set alerts for specific indicator, and let me show you some of the example how the alerts are working. So for setting an alert, you have to go to the alert section, right? And once you go to the alert section, you can see the condition section. Here you have to select my indicator, TG dashboard. I'm just selecting TG dashboard, right? Once you select this indicator, you have to go to create and just click on create button. It will automatically trigger, and whatever signals will be coming up front, you will come to know. Actually is the free account. Let me show you on my another account setup. Let me show you. Sorry guys. Yeah, indicator sell up. I do sell actually different other indicators, right? So I work on all the markets. Let me show you. Let me show you my this indicator as here only. So once I go to the alert section, just reviewing alert from my mobile. It's very easy set actually. The chart section. Just a second, guys. Okay, I'm just deleting this feature. I would remove all the alerts from this indicator which I'm using currently. Right. So I removed alerts from this indicator. Okay, this one. Let me remove. But once I remove, it will all the future alerts will be removed. So I just want to keep this to show you exactly how what are the signals, and I will show you the accuracy, live accuracy currently. Okay, so once you go to the alert section, you have to go select indicator and just click on create button. Once you create the alert, the alert which come over here, you can see, and even you can watch on the mobile in the triple dots of alert management option, right? So I hope you understand that. But still, if you have any confusion, any feeling, any problem in setting the alerts, you can call me anytime, right? Even you can WhatsApp me. This is my direct number. Okay. So again, once you create, the alert will be created. Okay. So once you can see my previous alert for the day, I have created a few of the alerts. It's the list of the 40 values. So I have created all the alerts together. Even you can customize this for 20, 15. If you want customize, you can contact me and I'll share you the accordingly this template. I can say dashboard. If you want 40 list, I can give you the 40 list. If you want 20, 30, 15, 10, I can customize and share with you. Okay. Okay guys, now let's time to backtest specific indicator, what signals I got, what time I got, and what was the performance. Let's see that. Let's start from the first chart. It's GRT. You can see guys here, the dashboard, each dashboard, you will get alert like this: sell code triggered for OKX GRT USDT. So this is the cryptocurrency GRT USDT, and the exchange name is OKX, right? You can set even exchange, Binance, Bitstamp. You can set any crypto exchanges over here, right? So this is of GRT. You can see the GRT. I have selected this one. The sell signal was triggered. At what time it is triggered? You can see 20 to 50. It's 20 to 50. You can see you get an entry from the next candle. You can see your chart. Okay, so see the accuracy, what my indicator goes. Let's talk with some of the Indian stocks as well. I have many Indian users as well, so let's go with the random. Let's select this one, SBIN. Let me go here, SBIN. Let's open the chart. Okay, SBIN, you can see here. SBIN last signal was sell signal, just lastly triggered once the market was closed. But you can see here the signal, it didn't get confirmation. Why? Because you can see the power is going less, and DA plus and DA minus is below 20 lines. So there is no any option to enter in specific trade. Okay, so you have to wait for the confirmation for the next day. If you get DA minus above this 20 at the time of market opening, you can enter for the short position. Okay, so now this is clear. Let's go with some of the other stocks. Let's go with this HCL Tech, HCL it was the BTC chart. HCL Tech, here we got sell go triggered when the sell signal. Okay, lastly when the market closing, there was a sell signal triggered, and earlier it was a buy signal. You can see the timing 15:20 at the market closing, 15:20. You can see the signal came, but the ADXs didn't give the confirmation. So make always use ADX for cross confirming your trade, guys. It is forming a sideways. You can see the all three lines are below the 20 level, so it's basically creating a sideways market. So wait for the breakout, and then if you got DA minus above this 20 line, you can go for the specific trade. It's not an issue. Let's check one of the index. Let's check Bank Nifty futures. We got a signal is at market closing only, so mostly the signal confirmation you will get by tomorrow. Wait for the confirmation. If you get this DA plus line below this 20 line by tomorrow, by gap down, market mostly open the gap down, you can wait for the entry. Once the market open, I can say the crossover has already become, and ADX has not given yet confirmation. So wait for the breakout, else wait for the this DA plus line should be below 20, and DA plus minus should be above 20. It should be steady, then you will get some movement over here. So after confirmation only you have to enter, guys. Okay. Okay, now let's see some of the top performing, I can say, currency. Let's me open the international gold. Actually, it's very I'm not sure. I'm not added in the list, but let me show you one thing again. I do have, Forex dashboard actually for specific Forex. I have added the pairs which are, based on their volume. So more we have XUSD, Euro USD. These are the main pairs to be traded, and we work on that as well, right? So I have customized. You want this as well as you want this one. I can share you both, right? If you want 15, this is the 15 values inputs, and these are the 40 input, 40, 20, 30. We can customize. That's not an issue. You just order me accordingly. Rate is same for all the indicators. This or this, anyone. So let me open this XU. Okay, this XUSD chart is already open. So you can see the quality of you got a short go signal at 23:30. Next, from next candle you have to mostly enter. You can see how it has moved. Even for the buy, it has given a good target. Even this previous sell. See guys, you can see here mostly it's a range market. Even the ADX line is also not given the confirmation. This purple line, I'm not sure it's visible. Let me change the color again. Okay, so you can this the yellow line is below the center line. Let me change the center line color as well. Okay, this is the center line. So you can see this signal, buy signal, right? The center line ADX line is below, below this center line, this yellow line. So there is no any confirmation. You have to wait for the confirmation breakout, then and only you have to enter for specific trade. You can see here once you get a yes sell signal, this is the confirmed trade. ADX PA minus has given confirmation, right? And this is facing upward. So you'll get a big move over here. You can enter for specific trade. Okay. So I hope you have liked my indicator. So I need like button for mainly for my efforts which I keep making new and new indicators and sharing you for that you can improve your accuracy from your end as well as my even I also a crypto investor. I mainly I'm a long term investor. I mainly following the buy the dip strategy as well as DCA dollar cost average, right? So if you guys need any guidance in cryptocurrency, I'm here to help you anytime, right? You can contact me. This is my direct number. You can see in the scrolling text. So anything remaining, I hope everything is clear. Mostly sell triggered. Let me show how it exactly again looks. So whenever you get a sell signal, you'll get message like this. You have to look for this sell go triggered forex, OKX, GRT, USDT, sell go triggered. You have to look this, not this. This is the BTC chart when I set the alert, but you have to look for only this NSC, Apollo Tire, NSC, Tata Steel, Bank Nifty, right? So I hope you got understood and come to know how exactly my indicator works. And if you need any help in trading and everything, I do have my rest indicator collection. You can contact me for getting their demo videos. I have in English as well as Hindi format, so you can message me. I'll share you the videos. If you like the videos, you can purchase from me. It's fine. So regarding the rate, please message me on the WhatsApp for current this indicator rate which I have explained, TG dashboard, right? So thank you guys, thanks for watching this video. It's a long video actually, but it's for you. Whenever you focus on the learning, it will be helpful to you itself only, right guys? I hope everything is clear now. Still any doubts, call me, and please like, share and subscribe to your community, to your friends. Thank you, thanks a lot. Thank you guys.